were built on the lake. Mr. and Mrs. F.R. Chandler constructed Salem Court high on this bluff, overlooking the lake back in 1893. The building which became their home was brought to the United States by the government nation of Ceylon, not the island nation of Sri Lanka, as a contribution to the 1893 Columbian Exposition in Chicago. After the exposition closed, F.R. Chandler had the building carefully dismantled, loaded into 26 railroad boxcars, shipped to the lake, and reassembled out to this point we are approaching, where it stood until 1958.